Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain you string formatting. Already we know format function. In this we will use formatting function along with alignment. I'm using a for loop. You need not to know for loop how it works. Just look at the print function. In future sections I am going to explain you what is the for loop and many more things. Okay, here within the for loop there is a print function number replacement field, square replacement field, cube replacement field, format. Okay, I square, I cube. Just try to understand what is the output. Okay, we got a output like this. Here for the first replacement field it is replaced with I value. It's the first time it is 1, second time it is 2, till 13, till 12, 1 to 12. And for replacement field with one number is replaced by I square, cube is replaced by I cube. So we are clear with this. Here it is giving a some result. Within this I want to align left alignment with 2. It is not in the same line, so I am using alignment to make it in look like a same line. So I am using this. Try to check the output. Okay, it is the left alignment. If you want to align it to the right alignment, we will use less than to the width. Yes, it is giving a different result. Look at the output, how it is aligned. Here, this 2 in the first replacement field is width, 4 is width. Four is the width of the value. If we want to make it a center alignment, we will make utilize caret. Okay, look at this. Cube given in a center alignment. Result is appeared. check it the if we does not want this replacement field, if it does not give replacement field, so what happens? 0, 1, 2, we are removing this. What happens is it is also gives output, but here this replacement is given with the first value, this replacement with the second value, this replacement with the third value. Even we are not mentioned explicitly also, it will take in a order. First one is first, second one is second. Here what is the drawback is we can't use it for multiple times. If we want to use I for multiple times, we cannot use a multiple field replacement field for multiple times. So this is the one way of practically doing. It is also given a output. Okay, I think you are clear. Still, until now, we utilized replacement field with the format string. Without the replacement field utilizing for multiple times, we got a output. Here, I want to use some other example for you. Try to get a output. Okay, it is given a output. Pi is 3.14. Some result it appeared in output. So okay, here I want to use how many uh, width we want. I'm using 12. It is given a width 12, and if we want a decimal point to be adjusted at the time also we will do. I want to use it decimal point floating value. What happens? Just check it out what happens. Is given a error. Some syntax error. Okay, here this is the result for line 5. 12 floating point decimals are adjusted. 6 is for decimal points outside of the 12 floating point Here 6 is outside the decimal point, and before the decimal point is 6. It is divided into 6 and 6, and I want 50 decimal points. Value after decimal points 50, and I want 72. Okay, 50, 54, 52, 62, floating. Okay, try to check output. Okay, it is given a different values with the different decimal points and floating point. Some of the values are given zeros. If it exceeds more than 50, it giving a zeros. 50 after decimal point gives the zeros. If it is left side, if it is greater than 50, it gives the spaces like this. It is more than 50, so here we got a space. It is more than 50, that's why here we got a zeros. It is the alignment and precise value. If you want a precise value in a calculation, in a scientific calculation, we will use these kind of things. I hope you got a clarity. See you in the next session.